Let's talk about the dirty underbelly of buying a condo in Maricopa County, Phoenix, Scottsdale area. Um, this is important because I'm seeing it happen, and I have huge concerns on the condo world in our area, and I want to talk to you about the things you need to be mindful of. So this is episode 1 of 7 things I want you to do. If you're going to go the condo route, it's up to you because you can buy a great condo for a cheap price, but there's an underbelly to it, like I said. So what I want you to look at first is their reserves report. It may have a different name, but basically it'll show you kind of how much money they have in their account. Now, what I need you to do is remember that if you're buying these 4 walls, right? Great for $260,000, super cute place in Old Town, you're all excited. But you're not only buying the condo, the 4 walls, you're buying a sliver of all the amenities that go with that. So you got to maintain the building, the roof, paint, stucco, gutters. Oh, my dog. Pool, jacuzzi, all that fun stuff has to be maintained. A lot of those buildings are older down there and they haven't been doing so good about maintaining. So what you're going to do is look at their reserves amount. So let's say they should be or should have an anticipatory amount of money that will maintain that building. Let's just go for $1 million. And if you look at their reserves and you see that they only have $200,000 saved, where is the extra $800,000 coming from? Coming from you somehow. So every month when you pay your HOA, a part of that should go into the reserves, but it hasn't, maybe they haven't. So if they just have $200,000, where's the next $800,000 coming from? There's 3 choices. They get a loan, someone's paying that back. It's not them. 2 is they don't do anything about it, which also is stink. 3 is they impose an assessment. Assessment would be like everybody that lives in there has to pay an assessment of, it's probably going to be a hardy number, quite frankly. So my friend was in Old Town, and her unit was, I think, $260,000. They were assessed $30,000. What? So they were also kind enough to say, hey, you can make 3 payments over 3 years of $10,000 a piece. I don't know about you, but if you're spending $260,000, not a lot of people have an extra 30 grand laying around. It's a lot of money. So I anticipate a lot of foreclosures and short sales happening in that world. Let's move on. So if you look at the reserves account and there's $1 million in it, that makes me feel a lot better. They're prepared for the repairs and upkeep that these units need. So first thing I want you to do is look at how much they have in savings, make sure that it's sufficient, and ask the question, are there any assessments coming up? Are there anything that you can ask? Ask the question during your due diligence period, which is, you could ask it before, but if you need more clarity on the due diligence, just let me know. But good luck. I would not buy a condo right now if I were you. That's just me.